This episode is about overnights. By now you might have seen tons of overnight recipes. Usually they look great. Sometimes the ingredients are really hard to find. Sometimes they're not as tasty. And sometimes we cannot find the right ingredients and then ours don't turn out to be good. On this video, I'm going to tell you the tips of what's making overnights great and what are the substitute of ingredients that you can use. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. The overnight starts with what? Oats. Oats could be big oats or they could be crushed oats like this. For a meal, I say 4 tablespoons of oats are quite enough. You can wet these oats with different things. The first thing that comes to mind is the simplest one, is the milk. 200 milliliters of milk gets in. For the sweetness, the simplest thing is of course the honey. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey. Another way to create sweetness, of course, could be from fruits. But these fruits can also be dry. For example, I have dry figs here. Normally, for 4 tablespoons, 180 milliliters enough, but figs are gonna also soak some milk. So I have increased it to 200 milliliters of milk. Figs are a lot of fiber and also will create a bit of sweetness. You can even eat this as a dessert. Or if you don't want it to be really sweet, you can exclude the honey. If you're a newcomer to the overnight world and you are this person who likes his or her chocolate every day, I have a replacement for you. This oat with a tablespoon of cacao, suddenly you get that chocolatey feeling and the satisfaction together. Mix this up really well. The thing about the overnights is, as you can see, this is runny. Now the oat comes to your teeth like al dente kind of, chewy. Overnight, it will soak all the milk and it's gonna be almost like a pudding. And we do this without the heat. If we put the heat, the starch is gonna come out and it's gonna be thick and lumpy. Whereas in the overnight, it's still gonna have the soakiness in it and it will be very nice consistency. Now, this is the first one. Let's move to the second one. Everything again starts with the oats, again 4 tablespoons. Oats to be cracked or whole doesn't matter, by the way, in terms of the measure. To this we added milk. All kinds of milk, could be almond milk, oat milk could work, but at the same time plain yogurt will also work in miracles. Ahmet abi and Refika abla, the couple which taught me how to cook, love making this overnights with yogurt all the time. So to this we added dried figs. Now it could be a fresh fruit, which is in this case a banana would be great. Big chunks like this would work. I would normally put smaller chunks so that in each spoon I get a piece of the banana that I like. Anyways, to this we can add some hazelnuts plainly like this. We can crack them or we can put them like this. Or if you have a hazelnut paste, this could be any kind of paste. It could be a peanut mixture, anything. So you can put some kind of a nut in the form of a nut or a mixture like this. For sweetness, I would always choose to use honey, but in this case, I want to show you your options. You can have some sugar, this is brown sugar, and it will create the sweetness. Last time we put cacao powder, this time we can put some chocolate chips. Do we need it? No, not necessarily, but it's gonna be bananas, chocolate chips, some oats, a really nice treat. It's time to mix it really well. Oh, a hard one. And then maybe a spice. In this case, cinnamon could do, but I'm going to add a bit of sesame seeds for an extra bit of edge because it's going to be overnight. The crunchiness is going to go away, but I like the roasted taste to help the banana. Almost ready. It's a bit thicker one. It's gonna get a little more thicker. If it gets too thick, you can always add a bit of milk or water to balance it. So, the second one is also ready. Whoop. Now the third one. Oats, 4 tablespoons. To this, we added milk, we added yogurt. We can also add kefir. Kefir is a great immune helper. A bit of kefir would be great. To that, apples. Normally, I'm not a big fan of apples, but in the overnight, when it sits with kefir or milk, apples turn into something really great. Then a bit of walnuts will get in. Oop. And as a spice, cinnamon is of course one of the best friends of apple. And for the sweetness, your apple might not be enough for you. Instead of honey or sugar, we can add molasses. Molasses is always good. If you're from Canada, A maple syrup could also be very well. Already great overnight. A simple one, you might say, Refika, oh, in many channels there are so many things, but I believe the simpler the better. So this is something I would make at home with a lot of happiness. Usually also in my summers to boost my immune system, I use 3 more things actually. One is ginger, the other one is turmeric, and the third one is blueberries. These 3 can get in 3 of the overnights we have made. A bit of ginger, a bit of turmeric, grind it, and maybe few blueberries on top. That would be great. I'm going to mix this really well. These are my overnights. But when you think about an overnight, don't think that you have to eat them the day later. Actually, today is Wednesday. We're gonna have our second shooting on Friday. So these babies are gonna sit for 2 days. And I want to show you what happens when they sit for 2 days. I want to show them that way because you can prepare it on a Sunday night, and this could be your Monday thing and Tuesday and Thursday meal as well. They will still be great. A little interval to the video. Hope you're enjoying it. My crew told me, Refika, it's the holiday season and gift season, so this beautiful tea glass was also a great whiskey glass, and my signature knife and the skewers are on Amazon in America. Here is the link. You can give it as a present. Our overnights became over 2 nights. The chocolate one is more runny. These are like really cement-like. Together with Burak, I also want to show you how you can present your overnights to yourself and to your loved ones.
Hello.
He's the loveliest,
I love
yes.
you too.
For example, this could be a great breakfast. Like you prepare a breakfast where you set things, the cheese, the jams, you cut the apples, made it a wing. And a bit of molasses like this. It's one of my favorites. I normally don't like apples. It's a childhood trauma. We have to go to the school with things that our parents prepared. And my mom, she was this hotshot doctor who was working incredibly hard. One of the reasons why I started cooking was no one was cooking properly at home. Anyway, she was saying I have to prepare my kids' beslenme çantası, which is lunchbox. Her understanding of preparing is peeling and then slicing a day before, and the apples got really brown, tasteless. After I graduated the 5th grade, I said no more apples. So I only eat apples in this recipe. It's so nice. The apples soak the kefir. It could be done with milk or yogurt. And the walnuts also soak it and they become fresh.
And cinnamon elevates the taste more and more. Okay.
That's the first one. Secondly,
This one is for the fig and cacao. But this time not in the jar. We're gonna put it on our plate.
Oh.
I can take the jar.
Why? Like you're making...
Actually, the fig gives us a very sophisticated taste. Almost like, I would say, whiskey. Yeah.
Like a bit sourness.
Does it mean it's fermented?
You know, there's a dessert, incir uyutması. They're like heating the milk a little bit, adding the eggs and
It
sits
gets
for a
fermented,
night.
yeah.
It gets fermented and it thickens like a pudding.
When making a bowl, it's nice to leave some empty space where you see the overnight, but at the same time, top it with few ingredients. This is some almonds. Suddenly, it becomes a really, caring dish.
And the last one.
Bahar, this can be also yours.
Creation of Ed.
At this point, I want to talk about the consistency and why an overnight is different than cooking the oat. First off, you cannot cook the oat together with yogurt with something sweet or acidic. What will happen? Yogurt is gonna curdle. Secondly, when you heat up the oat, the starch in the oat gets out and it starts to thicken like a pudding. Even sometimes like a risotto. But when it gets enlarged through overnight by just soaking,
It doesn't get
get mushy.
slimy. Consistency is more effendi.
the brand Fendi, comes from Effendi. Yeah. They used to be called Effendi, something Effendi, and they turned it into Fendi. Effendi is like the sir of old Ottoman Turkish. Anyways, and also because it's not hot, you get the flavors of the bananas. The chocolate do not get melted. On the other side, you get the taste of the chocolate.
But I would put some honey on it. I always
honey.
prefer a little bit sweeter than Refika or any other people in here.
Some holes or some. Don't try to make it, smooth and etc. Actually, make it even extremer. If you want, I can do some chocolate. One side turns black.
I think it's enough.
So for the greenness, either some mint could get in.
Or pistachio.
Pistachios. About this decorating, I want to show you how to decorate it. But if I was eating at home, I would just eat it how we were eating together with Burak. I would eat it even from the jar directly. Nothing else is needed. But it's a part of our job to show you how to present it well. But at this point about the overnights, the balance of the ingredients are so well, nothing is needed on top, but we also wanted to show that.
Which one is your favorite?
Mine, I think this one. It's the more childish one, like banana.
Actually,
peanut
this
butter.
one is also very
Yes,
good.
this is also very good.
If you're making it for children, instead of figs, you can use bananas. It will decrease the whiskey style and become more like a Cocoa Pop style. 3 of them are actually the ones that I usually do at home, so I don't know which one is my favorite.
I would say this one is your favorite.
I think so. Even though I don't like apples, I like the balance so well. So, what I do when I come home and I feel as if I want to eat some dessert and there's always nothing desserty, I make a version of this one with the cacao. When I want to eat healthy and get really full, I eat this. And for really health and preparing myself to the winter, I would eat this. Take great care.
Don't forget to like the video. It's really important for us. This is how you spread us to the world. And
And we need your support.
bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.